Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the euro dollar on the daily time frame at the moment. So we've had this strong rally and a little bit of a pullback here. Traded into a big resistance level, as we can see if we look left, and back here this distribution range through here, so we're trading midway. We do have a fair bit of momentum, and I think my bias is definitely to the upside. Having a look at this on the 4H. Okay, it's going to mark up this accumulation range through here. Be a little bit careful because we do have this price gap sitting under here, and this will definitely look to rebalance at some stage. I think in the short term my bias is long. However, in saying that, just want to be a little bit careful because I'll be expecting this to pull down to fill this gap, and even this one under here. Right, you can see both these candles pretty thin, and on the 4H, and then we've got this accumulation zone under here. So this could look to reach for that at some stage. For today, my bias is definitely a buy, and I'm looking for a pullback back down into, and if we have a look at this on the 1 hour chart, okay, we have this range. Well, this is a 4-hour order block here, this guy, so we've got that, and then on the hourly we have this price gap. If we pick up the candle to the left of this this move here and pick up the low of this candle, pull it across, mark that up, imbalance on the 1H. Okay, so we could possibly see this pull back down. So what I've done, I've actually entered long here with a market buy, but I've set a couple of buy limit orders under. All right, so I'm thinking that this could possibly retrace back down in, and I mean, if it doesn't, at least I've got my feet wet. Okay, I've got a small position here, 0.2% of my account, and if it pulls back, I've got 2 buy limit orders sitting under here, totaling 0.4. All up, my position size is 0.6. So if it takes off without me, at least I've got my feet wet. If it pulls back down, I'll get a fill, and that's my play. If we average this out, entry around here, I'd be looking for my stop loss under this 1 hour order block back here, so we can mark that up 1H. Alright, so we've got this nested order block. We've got 4H, 1H in here, and this 1 hour chart here, this price gap above. Alright, so push down into 61.8 retrace, kind of makes sense. Price gap sitting here, the high of these order blocks resting here, that could be a thing. This is where I have my buy limit orders sitting here. Alright, we get a push off here, that would be nice. Let's just see how this plays out, and as always, set your stop loss, commit to it. I mean, ultimately, if you're wanting to trail this, if it takes off, push this up to a 5-to-1 risk reward or something like that. But I'll be looking to take partial profits fairly early, so this would be my play here. Okay, so if we get that, target 1 would be here, so midway through this range here. You know, if you were to trail this, then continue on, and then, you know, we've got these levels up here to go for target 2. Well, there's 2-to-1 risk reward, 3-to-1, so, you know, wherever you want to go with that. Ideally, make this second target a dynamic target insofar as you'll be pulling the stop loss up and trailing it if it gains traction, and, you know, as this trades, if we get that, stop loss level just follows price until the trend rolls over and we break the trend. That's my play with the euro dollar at the moment, guys. And with that, here's an invite to join our Discord group. The link is below in the description. It's free to join. You're welcome. And I look forward to seeing you in Discord. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.